Join me as I take on the challenge of drawing a frog using the grid line technique. Let's see if I can make it look good. In this video, you'll learn how to draw a frog using the grid line technique, which can simplify the drawing process for artists of all levels. Many beginners struggle with proportions and details when drawing animals, often leading to frustration and discouragement. When you're new to drawing, it can be overwhelming to capture the subtleties of an animal's features, and it's easy to get discouraged if your drawing doesn't turn out as expected. Proportions can be especially tricky. It's hard to get the right balance between the head, body, and limbs. And even if you do get the proportions right, adding details like eyes, nose, and texture can be a whole new challenge. Drawing animals requires a lot of practice, patience, and attention to detail. And it's normal to feel frustrated when you're not seeing improvement. But fear not, the grid line technique is here to help. The grid line technique is a game changer for artists of all levels. By breaking down your reference image and drawing paper into a grid, you can ensure that your proportions are accurate and your details are in the right place. It's a simple yet effective technique that can help you draw realistically and confidently. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, the grid line technique is a powerful tool to have in your arsenal. We'll break down the grid line technique step by step, showing you how to create a grid on your reference image and your drawing paper to improve accuracy. First, we'll start with our reference image. In this case, a picture of a frog. We'll divide the image. As you'll see in this video, the grid line technique is incredibly versatile. You can use it to draw anything from animals to landscapes to portraits. It's a skill that will serve you well in all your artistic endeavors, and it's an essential tool to have in your toolkit. By the end of this video, you'll be amazed at how easy it is to draw a frog using the grid line technique, and you'll be eager to try it out on your own. Watch as the frog comes to life on the paper, showcasing the transformation from grid lines to a stunning final drawing. You'll be surprised at how easily the grid lines disappear as the frog begins to take shape. With each stroke of the pencil, the frog becomes more and more realistic, and the best part is, you can achieve this level of realism with minimal effort, thanks to the grid line technique. The grid line technique is incredibly powerful. And it's something that can be used in a variety of drawing scenarios. Whether you're drawing from life, from a photo, or from your imagination. And the best part is, it's incredibly easy to learn with a little practice. You'll be using the grid line technique like a pro. Thanks for watching our videos. Waiting for the next video, baby.